We're going to demonstrate how to do a butterfly venipuncture with one tube. The tube is the PTT light blue tube that is commonly used for PTT. And we're going to do a venipuncture on this specific arm. In the antecubital region, this arm doesn't show any type of visible veins, but it does have a basilic one that is sideways. So we're gonna do a venipuncture with a butterfly. Mounting the rubber sleeve of the butterfly fusion set in the vac container needle holder, leaving all the supplies ready and available close to the arm, making sure that it could be a smooth stick. At this time, we're going to apply the tourniquet 3 to 4 fingers above the bend of the elbow, above the antecubital region. The tourniquet shouldn't have been stretched out. It has to be comfortable, just like so. We're going to palpate our veins. We're going to clean our site in circle concentric motion. We let it air dry, or we can dry it once. We're going to hold this butterfly by the wing so we can see the backsplash in that area. If we hit the vein, we're going to see a small backsplash of blood, which is always a good sign. Okay, so let's hold the arm and let's go for the site. This tourniquet we will release after at least halfway of the tube. For the video purpose, we're not collecting blood. We're just, you can remove the tube, just making sure we establish a venipuncture.